Welcome to Raising Kings by Fully Housewife. Home cooking with the tornadoes is now on this channel. You can follow us here. Today we are going to be making tomato sauce that you don't really have to buy from the store. This one is a homemade one, and we got this from a child nutrition course. Yeah, child nutrition and cooking course. So what you need is really idolized salt, or you can use any other salt. You can use paprika in this thing. You need an onion. Or you only need half of this thing. You need a giant, not really big garlic. Just crush it. And then the main part, the tomatoes. And then you got the, olive oil. And then these you see here are optional. Yeah, optional. And overall, lots of mushrooms. So we're gonna start with this thing by cutting the tomatoes. Ooh, that's satisfying. You might get your hands messy in here, so be careful with the knife. So now that we chopped the tomatoes, we're gonna chop this onion. Oh! So now that we're chopping the onions, we chop crushed, this garlic. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now that we're done with this, they're dangerous. Now that it's done, we're gonna put all the tomatoes in there. Oh, satisfying. Three, two, one. So now we're actually gonna start cooking the real thing. Okay, so let's do it. But it doesn't actually go well. Oh. And whoa! Put the onions. Oh man, it's very dangerous. Next is we're gonna put the crushed tomatoes in there.
Okay.
Okay, then we mix it around. Salt time. Next, we're gonna put Spanish paprika. Let's go mix it all. Let's go. And then the optional part. Woo! Yeah. So that is how you make homemade tomato sauce. This is actually how you assemble your pasta. You first have to put some cheese, some mozzarella. By the way, this is macaroni. Yeah, this one is big. Okay, so you put some more, and then you put the sauce. By the way, you can put meat if you want meat sauce, or if you want to put meatballs, or make a meatball sauce. Or you could just put the pasta right on like me. And then all we have left. We put it all that cheesy. We're done. Bye. Like and subscribe.